Okay, guys, welcome back. I went to AutoZone today. I found this Bashzilla from last year. Never got it, and I finally got it. Bashzilla, guys, Hot Wheels monster trucks. Beast Bashers is 2024, not this year. Hopefully, make another one this year, different color. Probably not, but we'll see what happens. This casting really got made. It also made in glow in the dark as well, but this one's better. I named Bashzilla truck type creature, strength going bananas, crash type chimpion. Oh, I knew it was a monkey because of the face. I need to get Poison Pinto again. Definitely, I like that one. I'm gonna get this one. I need the tricycle, Michelangelo, Poppy, which that one's like super hard to find. This one, I don't know why. And the 5 alarm, which I saw 5 below, but I didn't have enough for it. So, further ado, gonna open this. See where it takes us. All right. Remember, we don't care about the cars. Here, ooh, okay, here it is, Bashzilla. Look at the blue. Yeah, there's a monkey. Look at the face. I knew it was. It looked like a chimp. Oh, not chimp. It's a gorilla, actually, I think. The tires right here in the front. The gorilla face with the arrows. Bashzilla. Hot Wheels monster trucks. Red beadlocks, like a gold rims, I think. Red roll cage, gray chassis. The big motor back here. Pretty cool with the little exhaust things or the tubes there, whatever that is. I think it's yeah, exhaust, I don't know. Bashzilla. Details pretty nice. Like the meter here on the side, which is cool. That meter, is it a meter? I don't even know what that is, honestly. No, it's the helmet. I think it's a cyber gorilla because look at the face, it's wearing like a helmet. So that's all I got today, guys. Like, subscribe, comment, share. There's more unboxings coming soon. Peace out. Hope you all enjoyed.